Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I thought I'd do a video today on how to show a illustration of staggered wall framing like so. Let's get started in this. I have started just a blank plan with a 2x6 wall type. Let's open up the wall type definition. And you'll notice that I've got 12 inches on center. And for this project, the first floor walls will have 3 top plates and 1 bottom plate. I went ahead and select with the wall selected. Down here, one of the edit tools is build framing for selected object. If I've got my settings to double right click, and it should pop, there we go. Build framing for selected object. This menu right here is the exact same as the toolbar down at the bottom of my screen. So if you may have the toolbar in another location, you may have it set up where one right click and the menu pops up, or 2 right clicks, double right click, and the menu pops up. So I've got the framing built here. Let's do a quick orthographic framing overview, and you can see, let's go back to plan view. I've got 2 wall types here. This is the second floor with 2 top plates and a single bottom plate. This has 3 top plates and a single bottom plate. And there is the 2 wall types with their framing. So let's go back to the plan here. I'm going to click on this wall here and tab. So that selects the framing at the end, and I want to delete that one. Click on this end and tab and delete that framing. Now I'm going to select that wall and go into the open wall detail option. I'm going to just drag and click and drag across all of them, and Control E. If you're on a Mac, it's Command E, and change all of these to 3.5 inch stud thickness. Now, when you do that, it does change all of the studs to the center of the wall, and then I will just move that. I'm going to point-to-point move from one side to the other. So as I do this, I'm clicking over the stud that selects the wall, hit tab, and that then selects the stud itself. Now I have set up on my shortcuts that the X button on my keyboard invokes the point-to-point move instead of the default. I think that's resize. Anyway, so click tab X for me, and I just shift these around. Okay, now back once again, I'm going to use my orthographic framing overview. And in my case, there you see that the studs are on the inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. I want to stagger these top plates a little bit, so we will select these, and I'm going to hit the C key while I'm dragging, so that moves it concentrically on both ends. And let's just try that again. There we go. There we go. That is the orthographic view. Now from here, from the orthographic view, I can create a CAD detail from view. This is my menu. If you were to do this here, I think you'd go into the CAD menu and CAD detail from view. There's the CAD detail of both wall types. So I might want to go ahead and do the same thing with this wall over here. I'm going to select the wall detail, select all of the studs, Control E, make that 3.5. We can close this and we will click Tab X, click Tab X, click Tab X, etc. right down the line. I'm going to close that CAD detail, click Tab X, click Tab X. For this one, we will just kind of stagger that top plate like so. That's a good angle. Now we'll do the CAD detail, and as I select that, then I will copy the CAD lines, and I can paste this into my detail that will be sent to my layout. So that is staggered wall framing, your 2x6. This way your insulation can weave in and out of that and not have the thermal bridge that the studs provide. Now, I do this as one illustration for the whole project. I don't do this for all of the walls in this project. That would be too many studs to be moving around, and I just do this one illustration this way. I hope that's helpful. If you like this information, click like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.